How to turn on a virtual Wi-Fi hotspot on a Windows 10. Connect your computer to the network via Ethernet. Press Win plus X and select Command Prompt Admin. Enter the command to check if your card supported creating a wireless network. Enter the command to create a wireless hotspot. Enter the command to start the hotspot. Press Win plus X and select Network Connections. Right-click on the network connection and select Properties. Click the Sharing tab. Check the box. Click OK to save your changes. Connect your devices to the new wireless hotspot. Stop your network. Open the Command Prompt Admin. Enter the command to stop the hotspot. You can then connect your mobile devices to this hotspot and use your computer's shared internet connection.
Thanks for watching.